Okay, everyone. Today we'll try to find out the area of the following shapes. At first, question number one. Question number one, we can divide this shape into two parts. The first one is called, this is shape A, and this one is called shape B. Now we need to find out the total area. So area of A plus area of shape B. We can say both A and B represent rectangles. So what will be the area of A? Very simple. Length multiplied by breadth. 5 multiplied by 6. 5 multiplied by 6 plus. What is area of B? 8 multiplied by 10. So 10 multiplied by 8. So 5 6 are 30 plus 8 10 are 80 meter square. 80 plus 30 will be 110 meters square. And this is the solution of question number 1. Now, question number 2. So, question number 2, again, we need to divide this shape into two parts, okay? So, if I want to divide, we can divide in this way. That will be a good one. So, here we can divide this one into two shapes. That will be shape A, this one is shape B. Now we need to find out the total area. So what will be the total area? Total area will be area of A plus area of B. So what is the area of shape A? We can say here we need to find out length multiplied by breadth. So 15 length is given. So we need to find out the width or breadth. We can say that if this one is 3 meter, that means this measurement, then this measurement must be 3 meter. And the total measurement is 8. Total distance is 8. So if this one is 3, it must be 5 meter. If this one is 5 meter, then area of A rectangle will be 15 multiplied by 5. And area of rectangle B, we need to find out this measurement. Okay, so here this one is 3 and the total is 15. Total is 15. And from this 15, if we subtract 7, then it will be 8. Okay, 7 plus 8, 15. So B will be, area of rectangle B will be 8 multiplied by 3. So here total area will be 15 multiplied by 5 plus 8 multiplied by 3. 15 5s are 75 plus 3 8s are 25. Now we need to add 4 plus 5 9, 7 plus 2 9, 99 meter square. And this is the solution of this problem. Question number 3 says, here in this shape, we need to split this one into two parts, or we can divide this shape into two parts. This is A and this one is B. Here we need to find out the area of first shape A, then area of shape B. Here A, that will be length multiplied by breadth. So if this one is 9 meter, then we can say this one must be 9 meter. Then what will be this one? 11 meter. Why? 20 minus 9 will be 11. So for A, we can say that length is 15, breadth is 11. So 15 multiplied by 11 meters square. And for B, we need to find out length into breadth. So we can easily find out this one. This one is 9. Then what is the measurement of this one? Look, total is 15, total length. So this part is 6. So it must be 9. 6 plus 9, 15. 6 plus 9 will be 15. Okay. So for area of rectangle B will be 9 multiplied by 9. So total area will be area of A plus area of B. So 15 multiplied by 11 plus 9 multiplied by 9. 15 multiplied by 11 will be 165. 9 9s are 18. So 5 plus 1, 6. 8 plus 6, 14. We have 246 meters square. And that is the solution of question number 3. Now, next one. Question number 4 says, here this shape has been given. So we need to divide it into two parts. So we can divide it in this way. So we can say this is shape A, this is shape B. So if I want to convert this one into two parts, then this one will be shape A and this one will be shape B. Now we need to find out the area of the total shape. So here area of A plus area of B. So what is area of A? Length multiplied by 5. So 7 multiplied by 5 plus area of B. Look, total is 12. Total is 12. And if this one is 5, we can say this length also will be 5. 12 minus 5 will be 7 meter. Okay. So area of B will be 13 multiplied by 7. So 7 5s are 35 plus 13 7s are 91. 5 plus 1 6, 9 plus 3 12. 126 meters square will be the correct answer. Now question number 5. Question number 5. This one is very simple one. Just we'll divide this part. Just we'll divide this shape into two parts. This is shape A. This is a rectangle. This is another rectangle. So we need to find out area of A rectangle and area plus area of rectangle B. So here area of rectangle A, that will be 7 multiplied by 3 plus area of rectangle B will be 11 multiplied by 6. 7 3s are 21 plus 6 11 is 66. 6 plus 1 7 and 6 plus 2 8. So 87 meters square will be the answer of question number 5. Now question number 6. Question number 6 देखो. This one is very simple one. So after dividing this shape into two parts, we can say this one is shape A, this one is shape B. So we need to find out area of A plus area of B. So area of A, here look, if this one is 4, then it must be 4 meter. 4 plus 4, that will be 8 meter. Okay, 4, 4, so it must be 4. Total is 9 and we can see this one is 5. So it must be 4. 5 plus 4, 9. So here, what will be the length and breadth? 9 meter by 4 meters. So 9 multiplied by 4, that will be the area of A plus what will be the area of B? That will be 5 multiplied by 4. 9 4 ja 36, 5 4 ja 20. 36 plus 20 will be 56 meters square. And that is the solution of question number 6.